guys, welcome to my...
I used to drink, I used to smoke, and then I danced. I used to drink, I used to smoke, and then I danced. Well, it's called the living in this crowd room. Need some new religion and I need it pretty soon. Drink, I used to smoke, and then I danced. I used to cuss, I used to fuss.
Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today on the Drunk Chef episode, I'm gonna make a delicious and easy butter chicken because I know how much you guys like Indian food, and this is how you make it. So the ingredient list is pretty simple. We've got some water, onion, whipping cream, chicken thighs, that's boneless, skinless of course, salt, onion, did I say onion already? Garlic, ginger, pepper, cumin, coriander, garam masala, tomato paste, chili pepper, Greek yogurt, sugar, and cilantro. Ooh. So first things first, we are going to mince this whole onion, the chili pepper, we're going to mince the garlic. These are 3 really big cloves, so you can use 5 or 6 smaller ones, and about 4 teaspoons of ginger, and mix together in this bowl. Watch your fingers. Guys, this might seem a little bit obvious, but I have to tell you, if you're using the chili pepper like this, boys and girls, make sure you really wash your hands before you go to the washroom. Otherwise, you will find yourself burning in ways you've never burned before. Next, we're going to take a tablespoon of the garam masala, a teaspoon of our coriander, half a teaspoon of cumin, and half a teaspoon of pepper. So I got my pan hot here, and I've just added 2 tablespoons of butter to get this nice and melted. Oh good, I totally forgot to record this next part. I put in my vegetables, my onion, my chili, pepper, and garlic, and I'm basically just simmering this down and letting the onion soften for about 8 to 9 minutes or so. Almost done. And we're going to turn this on for about 10 seconds or so. And I'm just going to add that into a pot. And I'm going to add the sauce back over a medium heat. I'm going to bring this just to a bit of a simmer. And then I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of butter, and then the sauce is good to go. Okay, I'm going to add a couple more tablespoons of butter. That was 2-ish. Next, in the bowl, we're going to mix our 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, about half a cup of Greek yogurt, and a teaspoon of salt. And then when the broiler is ready, we take our chicken and we put it in under the broiler for about 16 to 20 minutes, and we flip it halfway through. Okay, chicken's been in for about 10 minutes. Let's just take a look, and we're gonna turn it over. It's gonna be about 10 more minutes, as you can see right here. 10 minutes. Okay, so I have my chicken out from underneath the broiler, and it looks and actually smells really, really good, which is great, of course. And I'm just gonna take my sauce and put this back over a medium-low heat for about 5 minutes while the chicken rests and warm our sauce. Ta-da! Back up. So got my chicken here. I'm just gonna cut it up into like 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch chunks. And I'm gonna put that right in the sauce. And to that we'll add a couple tablespoons of cilantro. And to that we're just gonna add a little bit of cilantro at the end. And that's how you make a great butter chicken. Enjoy.
I used to drink